different kind of problems. It's not time to speak about the real situation. Each and every student face lot of difficulties. Some may have lost their home and lost their parents, and these are very sorrowful situations which we cannot explain in the verbally. So everybody know about our situation. In this moment, we request from the Dr. Kok and Sakya Muni Society to provide us a blanket for Sri Lankan people. So it is very necessary and essential things in this moment, because of now they lost their home and bed and bed sheet and mattress and everything. It's like a dreams we cannot explain. So now here, especially now we start this program here with the students. They will face A-level examination soon. One of the education officer, Miss Dilani Seneviratne, who organized these children. She is from that village, and she get to know about this problem and get help from the government. And then she found this place and helped the students to do their studies without any difficulties. So they will stay 2 or 3 months here and they study for examination. So we, in this moment, we would like to thank those who give hand to us during the corona, during the financial crisis and all the problems. When we have a problems, as a Dhamma friend, you help us. You gave your hand, you gave your money, you gave your heart. And thank you very much so much for organizing this kind of event, and thank you very much for your contribution, and we will really appreciate. This time we need lots of help to build up our Sri Lanka again. So we are Buddhists, the children all are Buddhists, they are from villages. So we learn Buddha's teaching because of this incidents, disaster. So in this moment, again, we really would like to thank, and we wish you all the best, and thank you very much. May you realize the Dhamma soon, doing this kind of great service. Sabbe Buddha Balapatta Pache Kanan Chiang Balang Arahang Kana Chite Dele Rakkang Vandani Sabdasu. Namo Buddhaya Parattam Patipajjata. Buddha in his teaching explained help others. He donated his blood and his kingdom and everything. So as followers of the Buddha, we also try to practice to donate something to help others. So this is the second program in this today. This is the second program. We did the first program with the students, and you will see behind me there are mothers and children and infants and many Sri Lankan people who suffered from this cyclone disaster. So there are, we cannot explain one by one incidents, so we don't want to remember their sorrowful stories and asking them what happened to you. But they lost everything. They don't have a regular house, and they lost their hopes and their belongings and the home, and sometimes, unfortunately, their relation also missing. Even they can't find their body. People are crying in front of their house because of their inside the mud, their body. No one can find. This is the sorrowful situation in this moment. So thank you very much giving such a wonderful help, such a wonderful support to these Sri Lankan people, just like your own people. And in this moment, I would like to thank Dr. Kok and organization who donate us this blanket. It will very helpful for them because of this time raining and end of the year, the climate is suddenly changing, and people don't have a regular bed or bed sheet, so it will very helpful for this the people. And thank you very much. May you live long and happy. May you realize Dhamma and attain Nibbana in this life. Sabbhitiyo vivajjantu sabbharogo vinassatu mate bhavatvantarayo sukhi dīgāyuko vada. Namo Buddhaya. Today we are in another village which affected by the cyclone disaster. Behind me you will see the people. They had a very unfortunate situation. They lost their homes as well as their temple. So normally they gather in the temple. Now temple also totally destroyed. So many houses were destroyed. But luckily all the lives are saved. Today we are here organizing this program for these children. We distribute your blanket to the people. So they are so happy, and this area in Kandy little bit cold, where the tea plant is growing. Many tree plants are available around this area. So it will be very useful for children and the elders and infants for cover their body. So thank you very much for helping us. Thank you very much for giving such a wonderful donation. And in this moment, I remember you all, especially Maha Bodhisattva Mr. Dr. Kok and other his students and the Sakya Muni organizers and everybody. And thank you very much giving such a wonderful help to people. Namo Buddhaya.